All right, guys, so let's get right into it. We need to talk about these functions and these icons before we can actually start learning how to make music and edit music. So here we go. Let's talk about this icon right here. This is the quick help button. When you click on that, it's going to open up this window right here. And what the quick help icon does is it allows you to learn about things in Logic. There are tons of things to learn in this software, okay? But if you look right here in this window, first of all, you can read what it says, number one. Number two, notice if you keep your eyes on this window, when I move my mouse and I hover it above things, it will give me the information on that. So that is the solo button. This is the mute button. See what I'm saying? Okay, so when you have an issue, when you run into an issue, you can easily just pull up this quick help and you can hover your mouse over things and it will tell you how things work, okay? Another thing you can do with the quick help is when you click on an area. So if I click right here, see how it says this is the track header area? If I want to know more, I can click on this area, press Command, and tap the backslash button, and then this window comes up. And this window will go deeper into all of the information that is in that area that you clicked on. You see that? And you're going to be taking some notes based on this right here, so get ready for that. But anyway, guys, this is the quick help window. Sometimes when you have the inspector open, it'll show up right here. But in any case, this window is here to help you. It is super helpful and it will help you along in your learning of Logic Pro. Anyway, thank you guys. Come back for the next one once you have checked out this icon. Thanks, guys.